Y'all see this hair? It's cute. Hey you guys, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing another affordable color series video. You guys, I honestly really love this color. Now I'm gonna be honest, when I first got this hair in the mail and I opened it, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this color. But once you install it, you guys, it is so pretty. I actually really love this color combination. So I got this wig from Nadula hair, and I really like that they're starting to make these pre-colored wigs because we don't have to try to color our hair, okay? It's pre-colored, pre-styled, pre-plucked, and we don't have to work as hard to achieve a bomb look. Straight out of the box, you really don't have to do much, but probably like pluck it just a little bit and install your wig. I didn't have to curl it, you guys. I didn't have to do no touch-up, bleach, no knots, nothing. Like, everything came done for me. So if you guys want to see how I installed this unit, keep on watching. So this is the wig from Nadula hair, and it does come pre-colored. Now on camera, this is registering like warm than it actually is. It really is a cool color, a ash blonde fading into like a, I don't know what to call this color, but it is kind of like a two-tone wig. And I do really like that this comes pre-plucked, so you don't have to do that much work. And this is HD lace, and it does come with combs and also adjustable bands. This is how the inside of your unit will look, okay? Very standard, and this is how much lace you get. You get a nice amount of lace, as you guys can see, and the wig is very stretchable. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off these combs, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I have the wig on, and it's looking kind of interesting. First, let's concentrate on this lace. Okay, you guys, so up close, this is what it's giving. And even though it's pre-plucked, I do need to pluck a little bit more, like, because right now it's giving wig. And we don't want to give wig. So I'm going to actually pluck it on my head, just so I can remove the right amount of hair. I notice when I wear colored units, I don't like them to be over plucked at all. Like, okay, guys, I'm gonna have to take this off and do it. And just try to keep a very light hand because it feels like I'm pinching my skin. It hurts. Guys, so you just want to get a good grip on the hair. Take your tweezers and pluck. You can already see the difference between this side and the fuller side. So I just like to part a little hair back and start plucking. The lace matches perfectly. I really don't need any lace tints or anything. The wig fits my head perfect. I'm just gonna pin my unit back, and then I'm just gonna cut. And if you've been watching my channel for some time, you would know that I like to install my wig like in 3 sections. And I'm installing my wig today using my EBN. I love this to install my wigs because it's so quick and easy. It still gives you a really nice bond, which is nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lace off. I really like the quality of this lace. It's very seamless. Okay, guys, so now let's just take the EBN and go over the hairline just one more time, just with a little bit of spray, just to make sure everything is nice and tacked down. This is about how much baby hair I want. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut. And now I'm just gonna spray a little bit of the EBN. Just right up in the little hairline. I'm gonna brush it back. And that lace is very natural. So that's it for like installing it, you guys. It was really easy and simple. Now I'm just brushing the curls out. And I hope you guys can get a better look for the color. It's like a really pretty Auburn type of color on the ends. Okay, you guys, so it's pretty much nothing else to do to this hair. I absolutely love this hair. It is so, y'all, this is so pretty. It's soft and I'm not feeling any shedding or tangles as of yet. It's definitely a fall vibe. I think I'm gonna wear this hair on Thanksgiving because it's so cute. It honestly takes your look up just a notch. So if you guys are interested in this hair, I will have a link below. I really think the color is interesting, how they did this ash blonde into this like reddish orange-ish Auburn color. I really like it. It's really, really different and so cute. So cute, you guys. And I think it will work on any complexion. Because the blonde in the top is like the perfect like ash color to work with any complexion. So yeah, you guys, anything from today's video will be linked below. The details on this hair will also be linked below. I know you guys said you know you're tired of hair commercials and all of that stuff, and I promise to be bringing you guys more content, but this pays the bills, okay? Okay, you guys. So thanks again for staying subscribed to me and watching my channel. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe. Make sure you click that Make sure you click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video, and I will see you guys in the next one.